Okay, we will review this makeup together. So this transformation for our grandma. Okay, so recently I get stuff for Najia. So before I employ makeup artists for this, so we want to see their work. So after una don watch this video finish, una go tell me whether this person go dey, because I need like 9 workers wey go dey work for there, or lowest 5 workers. So una tell me the this one, whether me will employ this one or not. Mona just talk am for the comment section. Okay, in case you dey watch me for the first time, my name is Deck Beauty. I base here in United Kingdom, London. I have studio where I do photo shoot in case you want to do your photo shoot. Okay, I am into makeup. I do gele, I do traditional bridal hair. We do many things. We do photo shoot. So but this video una dey watch, so no be me dey do this one. In case you want to see my job, go to my Instagram. My Instagram name is Deck Beauty. Any work you see there, any picture, any video you see for there, that are my job. So I'm uploading this one on my YouTube channel. I will upload it on my Facebook page as well. So this season is the season of review. We dey do review for makeup artists. You know, say every one of us we dey still dey learn. Oh. So you know, say Christmas dey come. So we need makeup artists. We go dey do people makeup for there. So how una see this one? Una write that for comment section. And the area where she still need improvement. Every one of us we dey learn every day. Oh. So Muna no to no insults for the comment section, because everybody life na lesson. We dey learn every day. Practice make perfect. So the only thing you just advise, just tell her this is the area you need improvement. This is the area you need improvement. That is the only thing you need to say for this video. So the video don almost come to end. This one and the final for the makeup. So what do you think? Because this one at the before of the mama, she's looking pretty, she's looking beautiful. Even before her makeup, she's looking beautiful. So this one and my name will take beauty. So any picture wey you see for here now, you could see and say na my work. So all these are my service. See, and we dey even dey sell makeup product, we dey sell perfume, we do bridal hair. See, and this one are my work. This girl that made and that makeup na me do. And all this one, I me do all this one. So all this one, in fact, we don't get the latest one of this version. So go to my Instagram, you'll see my work there. My number is there. Call me and patronize me. See you on my next video. See the oil perfume why they say. I will post it to you wherever you are. My number there. Mona go see my number for the night. Be the green one. Bye bye.